Hello fellow crocheters, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the High Alternating, if I can say it right, Alternating Crochet Stitch. Now this is actually just a fancy single crocheting kind of pattern. It does have its little quirks, but it turns out to end up giving this a really nice texture. So if you're interested in how to do this, let me show you what you need to do. Now to get started, you are going to chain any odd number that you would like, and then you are going to add +1. Now if you've been following along with the Crochet Patchwork Blanket, it's a project that we have going on this channel to where every week I end up doing either a knitting or a crocheting video. Depending on your skill, you can do whichever. And each square, you always want to do the same amount of stitches and the same amount of rows as your stitches, or chains I suppose. So normally I do 30, so since this needs to be an odd number, I'm doing 31. And then what you're going to end up doing is saving your little swashes that you make, and we're going to put these into form a blanket at the end of the series. So if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and join in on the fun. It's up to you. If not, you want to use this pattern for something else, that is totally up to you. So now that we have our chains, we're going to start on row 1, which you are going to end up single crocheting in the first chain from the hook, and then you're going to single crochet all the way across until you reach the end of the row, and then you're going to turn your work. So as we finish up row 1, I'm going to go ahead and start talking to you about row 2. So this is where you're going to end up doing a chain single crochet, and I'm going to explain to you how to do this, so don't worry whatsoever. To get started on row 2, you are going to chain 1 and single crochet in the first stitch. Then you're going to work your repeat, a chain single crochet in the next stitch. So you're going to insert your hook like you're going to do a regular single crochet, pull through the first loop, and then you're going to chain it like so, and then finish off your single crochet. Then you're going to single crochet in the next stitch. So let's look at this chain single crochet again. Insert your hook, pull through, chain that one stitch, and then pull through the 2 stitches, single crochet in the following stitch. One more time, you're going to insert your hook, pull through, chain it, and then finish off your single crochet, and then you are going to single crochet in the next stitch. So you're going to do the chain single crochet followed by a single crochet, and you're going to repeat this all the way until the end of the row. Now getting into the rhythm of this was a little bit difficult. You can see I'm struggling right here I keep losing my loops off of my needle. This is honestly something new that I haven't really had a lot of practice with, of working your hook like you're going to single crochet but chaining that stitch. I definitely got into the rhythm of having to remember to do 1, 2, 1, 2, because at one point I kind of zoned out a little bit, and then I just started doing a whole bunch of the chain single crochets, and that didn't quite work out for me. But luckily there's only 2 stitches you have to remember for this repeat, so take your time, take a breath, it'll be okay. So now that we've finished row 2, we are going to turn our work like I said, and then you're going to start on row 3, which is really easy. You're going to chain 1, and then you're going to single crochet all of the stitches, because when you do the row below, you're not actually adding a new stitch to your row. You're just always going to have whatever you ended up chaining and working in row 1. So you're just going to single crochet all the way across, and then I will meet you on row 4. So we are finishing up, and here we are on to row 4. You're going to start off by chaining 1 and single crocheting in the first 2 stitches. Then you're going to go into the repeat of doing a chain single crochet in the next stitch, followed by single crocheting in the following stitch. You're going to repeat the chain single crochet and then the single crochet afterwards. You're going to repeat that all the way until the very last stitch, and then you're going to finish off the row with just 1 single crochet. Here we are on row 5. You are going to chain 1 and you're going to single crochet all the way across till the end of the row and turn your work. And if you're wanting to make this project much bigger than it is in this tutorial, you are going to want to repeat rows 2 through 5 until you end up getting the desired size for your project. Once you kind of get into the rhythm of this, it really ends up crocheting together very easily. And here we are. I'm finishing off row 31 because that is how many chains I ended up doing, because I'm following along with the Patchwork Blanket Project. You don't have to. It's just something that I have going on. It's something fun to end up doing, you know. Gotta add a little bit of excitement somewhere. But hopefully you actually try doing this pattern for yourself. This high alternating, sorry, there's a cat that just smacked my microphone, sorry about that. But this high alternating crochet stitch actually comes together really well, and I really do enjoy the way it ended up turning out texture wise. This might end up being a new replacement for single crocheting projects just because it adds just a little bit something more to it than just a straight line. You'll have to let me know what you think down in the comments below. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a like. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I try to make crafting videos every week, and I would love to have you here as part of this amazing community. Well, I hope that you end up having a fabulous day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now!